Good morning. It's been some time. Hold that thought. Oh, much better. Cheers. We're just gonna get down to the nitty gritty right now. And just tell you, I do not post a video weekly, or every 2 weeks for that matter. Because we bought this house back in September, and we've done nothing but renovate it since we've moved in. We've lived here about 8 months now, and we have torn through the kitchen. We've installed new things like a new throne, and we've replaced doors, painted. We've done multiple things to this house that required a lot of attention and required a lot of hard work. So anyway, beyond that part, if you don't mind subscribing, you can go ahead and do that and click on that notification bell. Subscribe to my channel. Now, if you really want to keep up, check out my Instagram page. I'll leave a link to that below. I post on there weekly, pretty much, all my smaller trips, my work trips, things like that that don't get a lot of video footage, that don't get a lot of recordings. I do take pictures, I do post those up. If y'all subscribe here, you should definitely check a look at what we have over there on Instagram. So let's talk about what's next. One amazing trip coming up, and that is Denver. It's been an amazing trip. I had back in Memorial Day weekend, we went up to Gray's Peak, and we didn't exactly get to summit because it was so much snow and so much trail that we pretty much just lost the trail, got exhausted, and turned back. This Labor Day weekend, we're gonna fly back to Denver. Currently right now there's no snow on the mountain, so I'm gonna just summit it alone due to some circumstances that have come up. My wife will not be able to hike that, so it would just be me solo hiking that to summit. At the end of September, we are getting married. We've been together for about 3.5 years, so yay! Now that has taken a lot of work. We're having a backyard wedding, reception, the whole shebang at our house, hosting 150 people. So you can imagine where my time has been spent, especially trying to get this house up to par so that people can be in it. So it's been an extraordinary busy year with that, and probably the next couple months will be even busier trying to plan and trying to get stuff done for this reception. At the end of that, about a week later, we will be on a honeymoon in Hawaii. That will be a 7-8 day trip, so you will definitely get amazing footage from me on YouTube. Probably multiple videos will come out of that. So when we get back, I'll probably have to do some more work traveling. I may not post for like a month or so on YouTube. They will be over on my Instagram page, so definitely keep up with that. In November, I will be taking a solo backpacking trip to Guadalupe Mountains National Park to summit that peak. Definitely a journey that I will share with you guys. We'll definitely be I'll be definitely vlogging that for the 3 days I will be there. Where does that leave us for the rest of the year? Well, there's probably one more trip. I've been postponing this trip for 2 months, just because of 2 years because of rain. Been longing to finish the Lone Star Hiking Trail. So I'll be tackling that this winter, probably December, beginning of December. So where does that leave us in 2020? So I have a few trips amazingly planned, depending on what happens and where things are at in my life. Big journey that I have set for 2020 is the rim to rim to rim trail. Keep you guys in the loop. As for the rest of the journeys, well, you'll just have to wait and see as time goes by. But like I said, life's just kind of like taking more of an important role. So if you subscribe, just kind of hang in there. If you want more information, more up-to-date information, like I said, check me out on Instagram at The Adventures of Eli, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Cheers.